So, in the UK, some of the most common car issues are, well, things like batteries failing without warning, reduced braking performance, dashboard sensor errors, and, oil leaks and overheating. In most cases, these problems come down to one thing: worn or poor quality parts. Cheap parts might seem like a quick fix, but honestly, over time they cost more in repairs, downtime, and safety risks. High-quality aftermarket parts offer improved safety, longer service life, smoother performance, and, well, peace of mind on every journey. This is exactly why many UK drivers trust D2P Auto Parts. With D2P Auto Parts, you get premium aftermarket car parts options for multiple vehicle makes and models, fast and reliable UK shipping, and excellent value without compromising quality. Whether you need brake components, sensors, or engine-related parts, D2P Auto Parts provides dependable solutions you can trust. So, this channel is for you if you're a daily UK commuter, a delivery or rideshare driver, someone who maintains their own vehicle, or if you're serious about preventing breakdowns before they happen. You'll find the D2P Auto Parts link in the description below. Check it today and, well, keep your car prepared for every season. If you found this video useful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your car model. Remember, vehicle safety starts before the warning light comes on.